Hello, welcome to Asben TV. Today we are going to learn how to draw this ground floor plan, which the wall thickness is 150 millimeters and our scale is 1:100, as you can see. So now this is the measurement, and we are having the length of the building to be 15,276 millimeters, and we are having the width to be 6,900 millimeters, and we are having the measurement for all the building down so that we can get it in the standard form to draw. So when you are going to start, normally, as you already know, that in building drawing you need to get the baseline for the building where you are going to start. So you are starting from down here to this top. So I've already drawn my baseline, and the measurement which is here is 15,000. That will be 15,276, and when you divide it by 100, that is the scale, which is 100. We divide it, you are going to get 152.76. 152.76. That will be approximately 15.3. So you will measure, use your rule to measure 15.3, then you take it. So when you measure the 15.3, then you will pick the wall thickness for this line here, the wall thickness for this line. So we are going to measure it. So this is a 15.3. Then I will take the line to this top, up to this limit here, 15.3. Then I'll measure 0.2 inside. So 0.2 inside. Then I'll pick my measurement here. So now we are having the measurement for this wall thickness here. Then in the question you are having here to be veranda. We are having here to be veranda. Yeah, this side is veranda. This shaded part is veranda. So the measurement given is 1,950. So 1,950, when you divide it, you are going to get 1.9. So 19.05. That is millimeters. So when you come to centimeters, you are going to get 1.9. So 1.9, you pick your rule, then you measure 1.9 here, like this. This is our 1.9. So when we measure our 1.9 on this line here, then we measure 0.2 backwards to get the internal wall, because the measurement given is external, outside to outside measurement. So now we will draw the line for the veranda. Then the 0.2 that we pick here, we will also draw the 0.2 line for the wall thickness. Remember, all the lines should be faint, as you can see. After that, we will deepen it for you to see everything that we are doing. So now, and here we also pick the wall thickness for this wall. So let's go. Pick the wall thickness for this wall here, and we will draw our line. Then we'll pick the wall thickness to be 0.2 up to this limit 2. So now that we are having it, when we check the plan, we are having the height here to be 6,900. When we divide 6,900 by 100, we are going to get 69. 69. This one, 69. So we will measure from here to this side as 69. So when we measure here to here, we are getting our point here. So now we can draw our horizontal line. That is 6.9. We can get 6.9 here. So we will draw it. Now it is moving here, so we can get it. After that, we will measure 0.2 inside for the wall thickness. So we'll pick our 0.2 here. This is going to be like this. So now we are having our 0.2, and when you check on the plan again, the question that was given, we are having the measurement for this bedroom here, this shaded part here, to be 4,350. When we divide 4,350 by 100, we are going to get 43.5. 43.5. So we will measure 43.5 on this side, and we measure 43.5. We are going to get it here. So this is it, 43.5. We will measure 43.5. Then we draw our line, make it a faint line. Then we measure our 0.2 inside again to this side. Then we will get the wall thickness. So 0.2. Maybe somebody will say, what is 0.2? 0.2 is the wall thickness that we are having, because the question was given that the wall thickness is 150 millimeters. So when you divide it by 100, you will get 0.2. Yeah, you get 0.2. So now that we are having The veranda should be here. This is the veranda and this room. Now we need to cut to also get for this room, and to get for this master bedroom here, we are having the 4,350 this side, and together we are having 3,000 millimeters. So you first of all draw this line here, that's 4,350. That will give us 43.5. So 43.5, when we measure it from here, we are getting it from this side, 43.5. So we draw our measurement. We draw our line, our line. All these lines should be constructional lines to this side. Then we will cut inside our 0.2 for the wall thickness. Now we are having our 0.2. So as you can see now, we have this room should be here. We are having our veranda, which is here. This one should be this side, and we are having this space that was created in here. So now we will also cut this line from here to here. From here to here, so that we will get the measurement from this side to this side. So when you divide 3,100 by the scale to measure here, you will get 10 millimeters. That is in centimeters is going to be 0.3. So now let's measure our 0.3 so that we can see everything accurately. So let's go. So we will measure our 0.3 here. So these are 0.3. I am starting my 0 from this 1. So 0.3 will be on 4 here, as for me. And I will measure my 0.2 inside. That will be for my wall thickness. Then I will draw my vertical line. I will draw my vertical line. So we will draw. Always let the set square sit on the T square. So I'll draw my vertical line, and I'll draw another one to get my wall thickness. So on this one here, now we are having this side, and to get this wall here, the measurement was given us from the veranda to this top. Veranda to this side is 2,400. 2,400 divided by 100 will give us 24. So when we measure 24 here, we get now 24. So when we measure, these are 24. So we draw a line to get 24 here. And the 24 is not a line here. And before that, we need to get another line this side that was given in the question as 1,050. So 1,050 divided by 100 give us 1.05. So 1.05. Yeah, 1.05. So we measure 1.05. This line from here to there, 1.05. These are 1.05. So 1.05 this side. Yes. Then we'll pick a 0.2 inside to this. So let's draw a line. Let's draw a vertical line. Then we draw another vertical line to get our wall thickness. So now we are having this corridor here, this one to be this, and we are having this one to be this, and here will be the size where we will divide into two to get this for the toilet and bath. So now we can draw our line from here, the 2,400 that we just scale it down from this side. So we draw a horizontal line, and when you check, this line is just cutting through this and that and that, but the veranda there is no line going through it. I mean this, there is no line here. So let's go. So we are going to draw this line here, and we draw another line here too. So T square didn't flash, so the lines are not straight. So let's go. So after that, we will measure 0.2 to get our wall thickness, and 0.2 is here. These are 0.2, another 0.2. So as you can see it, now we are having this line for this one here and this one for this side. And don't forget to know that this line is on this veranda here, so we will extend this one down and we'll extend this one too down. So let's extend it. So now when you check on the paper, question paper, and check on the drawing, what you're having here is here. So we divide this line just into two and everything to go, and you are good to go. So let me join this line here. And now what we are going to do is we are going to get the measurement for this line here. This here is corridor. So the corridor is given the measurement to be 1050 divided by 100. We are going to get 1.05. So we'll measure our 1.05 here from the top to this side, from here to here, 1.05. So let's go. It's our 1.05 here. Is 1,500. Sorry, 1,500. And when we divide 1,500, we get 1.5. We get 1.5 here. 1.5. Then we get 0.2 inside. So let's go. This is how it will be. So now, this is the space. This is the space. This is 1,500, and we are going to have after 2,400, we need to get 1,005 with this one, so that everything will be all right. So 2,500 is here. So now let's measure our 1,500 from the top. 1052. We calculate it. We are going to start. Let's start our one from here. So this is it, 1.05, and the wall thickness. So that's the same. So let's go straight forward. So now let's divide it into two. Yeah, 2,400 should be here. 1, 2, 2.4. So I think we did a mistake here. That's why the 2.4. It will be somewhere here. Yep. It will be somewhere here like this. Okay, this is all right. That's the same measurement that we are going to get. So now we will divide this into two. It is the same. So we are going to get here, one is 1,350 and one is 1,005. So 1,350 divided by 100 will give us 1.35. 1.35. So let's measure our 1.35 here. 1.35. That will be somewhere here. So after that, we will take our 0.2 back. 0.2 backwards. We draw our line to get everything accurate. So let's go. Let's pick our measurement here. So now check out. Just check it out. same as this. So now we will introduce our doors and windows inside. Wherever there are windows, we will put the windows in, and wherever there are doors, we put in the doors. So now what we are going to do is, we can see there is a door here, and the normal measurement, this is a double door, and we all know that single door is 900. This is double door, means 3,800. So 1,800 divided by 1.8. So I will measure my 1.8 from this side. Measure 1.8 from here. So I'll start my door from this side. So this is my 1.8 from this side. Then I'll measure my. Then I'll cut my door frames. So the door frames will be 0.1. So I'll pick my 0.1 inside. I'll pick 0.1 inside. This is my 0.1. Now I can introduce our symbol to be like this. Double door. Then we measure 0.1, then we draw our arc. 1.2, 1.0, we measure 1. Then we will step from here. Then we construct an arc from this side. No, compass is not stiff. As you can see, this is a double symbol for the double door. Yeah, so this is a double door, and we have a window here, and the window is 2 bay. Yeah, 2 bay. And as we know, the measurement for 1 bay, yeah, we already know how 1 bay the measurement takes. So you just check on the paper, and the 1 bay door that was given, you fix it in there. Yes. So sometimes it can be 600, it can be 700, depending on the measurement I was given. So this one, in this question, I will just use 1 centimeter. I will use 1 centimeter, that is 100. I will use 1 centimeter, that is 100. Then I will cut my 1.0 inside to get my window frame. So some questions they can give you to be double doors or double window. When it is double window, introduce the double window inside so that everything will be all right. So now we are good to go. So we check here, there is a door here too, so we fix the door. So there is a door here, so we just transfer this line here, and we transfer this line here too, then we transfer this one here, then we will measure our 0.1 backwards, then we will also measure this door frame. This is our door frame. Now we will measure the top to make it the normal door should 900. Normal door should 900. So 900 is 0.9. So we will measure our 0.9. We will get it from here. 0.9. Then we cut it. So this is our 0.9. We just introduce just straight. So now we will introduce the arc inside, and we introduce the arc to the corridor too. So now let's go. We will draw our line here. So this is it. From here, then we use it to draw the door arc. So now we are having this door symbol here. So let's go for this one too. This side will be for this door symbol. Then we will do it for this door symbol too. So let's go. So we are also having it here, and there is some doors inside the toilet and the bath, and some people use this 3 feet for the door, that will be 0.1 like this. Then I will measure the size of the door. I will measure it and make it. 0.6, 600 to be 3 feet. 2 feet, sorry, 2 feet. Then I'll cut my 0.1 outside. Now we can introduce our wall here. This is that door. Then we can draw an arc. So let's draw this line here and do the same thing to this door. This side, then we extend this line. So now, as you can see, we are done with the doors. We are done with the doors. So I think here there was a door here. There was a door on this side. Now let's put in our windows. There was a window here and another window here, window there, and we have a window there. So now we have a door frame to be 0.1. The window frame to be 0.1. Then we will pick our measurement from here to this side. 2 bays, and we know 1 bay, the measurement for 1 bay is 700. So double will be 0.4, be 1.4. So 1.4 here. Then we will measure for this side. Now let's go straight forward to draw the window frames. Now we are down here, and we will cross this line like this. This is the window symbol, and there will be another window here. And let's draw it. We'll pick our window frame 0.1, 0.1. After that, we will measure our 1.4. That's the 2 bay window, because 1 bay is 700 in the caution. So 1.4 will be here, and So we are having a window here. We introduce another window here. So just use the same process to make it right. So you use the same process to make it. So just introduce your window symbol. And here too. So now we are done with a window symbol, and there is a window here too. So we introduce our window here. So we will measure 0.2. So we'll measure 0.2 to this side, 0.2 to this side, and we draw our lines. Measure the same 0.2 here. So let's go. So now we are having for the 0.2, then we'll measure 0.2 downwards here, and that will give us the final measurement for the pillars. So we know the symbol for pillars to be, we have 4 reinforcements here. So let's deepen the reinforcement. And introduce our symbol for the concrete in there. So now that we are done for the columns, what we will do is we will deepen it, we will deepen the outlines so that we can see everything accurately. So now let's go. So now you can see how the outlines So now that we have just deepened it and you can see all the outlines, let's deepen the columns. So these are the columns. So now these are the outlines and how the ground floor plan of this caution given here will look. To just look like this, and you can decide to put here a door here so that you can enter this side, and or you can enter this side through this direction or through this direction. This is for you. So me, I will introduce my inside window. Now here let me just to now window symbol. Yeah, I forgot to do. So now you can see everything is okay. Now everything is okay. So thank you for watching, and I'll just come on to do the front elevation and the end elevation for this one. So this is the ground floor plan for this caution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this video channel. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you.